What are today's Water Expo?
Yes, sir. We, SAROJ India Private Limited, we are into the water and wastewater treatment projects. The company mostly doing the EPC project with a customized solution for the wastewater industry, like oil and gas, textile, so many more industry we are doing. Here, our main concept is zero liquid discharge system, water recovery, recycle and reuse purpose. Okay. So we have a two keen premium technology. One is a Primazone, which is having a 20% ozone concentration product, which is useful for the recycle reuse project. And as well as there is a ceramic membrane filtration system, which is required for a zero liquid discharge system. Apart from that, we have own manufacturing unit. We are into the process related equipment also for fully automation, as well as customized requirement also we can fulfill it. Yes, sir. Our main highlight is being a turnkey project based company. In water, there is a various kind of challenges is there. We have a customized solution for each and every challenges, like dairy industry, petroleum industry, automobile industry, textile. So for that we have a different kind of technology to explore ourselves. So who can provide the best solution for the zero liquid discharge as well as recycle and reuse purpose. I have personal experience with especially with the Water Today Expo. So here there is a seminar also followed by that many technology people they're exposed into the expo. So such kind of product required to fulfill their requirement. So people can adapt the technology, whichever the best one, as well as affordable one. As I said, that being an EPC company, so we have to expose ourselves where actual required. So here in Tirupur, the long lasting they are implemented zero liquid discharge, as well as started reuse water. Here the public, here there is most of the OEMs participating in the expo. Such a expo we want to explore ourselves. What we have a technology like a ozonator as well as ceramic membrane filtration, plus engineering based solution.
What do you think type of visitors are coming in Water Expo?
So both the people, the customer also, OEM also, they are visiting. There are micro and some major entrepreneur also visiting. They are working with a small area also, which is really appreciate to that initiation to do the small kind of project also, which is required to fulfill the water requirement. Last 2 days we are receiving the response from the OEM companies, then small entrepreneurs side, then end users from nearby states like Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka also we have received a very good response. So they are bringing with the many different kind of challenges. So really we are like to work with that challenges, though it is not a business value is less, but we are happy with that provide the solution. So such a way in Water Today, so I have experience with it since 2009. So personally I have experience. Here the people are coming to, even the education people also coming to here to get a knowledge about the product in the water treatment sector. So really we are happy with that kind of expo. We got a very good opportunity to explore ourselves. So if I'm bringing with only one single product, the people are saying that only one product, thereafter they pass through that. So like us, there is a many more products available in the market. But we have a collective technology where we can provide the customized solution based on whether it is a small requirement or big requirement. According to us, water, even there is a single liter also precious to us. So to recover, to reuse purpose. Thank you.
Delhi Water Expo, 13th, 14th and 15th July 2023 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi.